Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor Gemini's account activity. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a quick one. First up, online account monitoring. How you want to do that is by first accessing your Gemini account online, and then once you're logged in, you want to click on accounts or dashboard to view your account activities, and then you can review your transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. And you can also check your account balance, including your cryptocurrency and fiat currency holdings. And you also want to configure account alerts to notify you of specific account activities, such as large transactions or changes to your account settings. Now on mobile app account monitoring, how you want to monitor your accounts on mobile app is by first accessing your mobile Gemini app on your mobile device, and then once you're signed into your account, you want to tap account to view your account activity, and you can review your transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, and of course trades. You can also monitor account balance. So just make sure you check your account balances, including your cryptocurrency and fiat currency holdings, and of course configure account alerts to notify you of specific account activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to monitor Gemini account activities. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.